So now that we have the my CreateHER Lab logos just slightly redone, I recreated them. They're kind of similar to what I had before, but I'm actually updating just the slight details of it. So let me go ahead and move this over. And so I've got the main logo here, and I've got the alternative logo, which is very similar, just different placement, and just added sparkle here. And I've got the CreateHER Lab icon. And what I did was I tried to make this kind of look like a test tube. Just wanted to try to give it a little bit of meaning in the icon as well. And got a little sparkle coming out of the test tube, and just to kind of signify, female creators, and just putting your sparkle on things. So what I would like to do for this this new launch of merchandise, and just in general for now, for the theme for the business, is something a little bit more retro, which you can tell with the font that I chose. I am going to quickly insert something I made a while back, but I'm going to try to also recreate as far as the colors of the logo. Like, this one is not as sharp, and I don't know what's going on with this little drop shadow in the background here. I'm not really fond of that, so I am going to be quiet now, and I'm going to try to recreate this part of the logo, this vintage look, and then we'll move on to some social media templates. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking a few of the logos that we just recreated, and then I'm going to use these patterns that I made. I wanted to kind of give some kind of retro feel to the brand. So I'm going to use these patterns to create a few social media templates. And that's honestly pretty much it. I'm just going to grab a few things to kind of try to make the brand identity cohesive. And I'm actually just trying to create some 1080 by 1080 posts, as well as the 1920 by 1080 for the stories. So stories are the 1920 by 1080, and the normal Instagram size posts are 1080 by 1080. So that's what we're going to be creating now. And I might use a few of the things that I've already created just for the sake of time. And here we go. I'm going to just quickly run through this. I've exported the files that I created in Affinity Designer, and I actually uploaded them into Canva so that I could show you guys how to use the social media templates and like the overlays for your stories. So I think the logos are self-explanatory. You know how to use those. But we also have these different social media templates that I created, and I'm going to go ahead and add that here and see how I can get that added to the story here. So I already had a video that I uploaded. It's just like a little test video. It's nothing official for the CreateHER Lab, but I don't know, I may post it. But I already had a video, so I went into video, upload media. The video was there on the Canva template. And then I went ahead and just selected which overlay I wanted to use. And there we go. That's pretty much the gist of it as far as how you use them. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to play it, and then you can also export it just like this and upload this to Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or wherever you decide to post.
Hey, go and subscribe to the CreateHER Lab, both on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
And there we go. I'm looking a little crazy, but looking a little crazy there at the end, but that's how you pretty much do it. Alright, so that's there. That's the first one. I'm gonna try out this one. I'm not gonna try out all of them because it's pretty much the same concept for them all. So here we go.
Hey, go and subscribe to the CreateHER Lab, both on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
So that is how you use the social media templates. And then I'm just going to do a quick introduction to the little CreateHER Lab rebrand here. And thank you so much for watching the video. Feel free to ask any questions or leave any suggestions down below in the comments. And until next time.